Friends, open PicsArt app, tap on this plus icon, tap on edit photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. Now what you have to do is go to text and write your name, the first two letters. I am going to write my name N-A. Tap on done, tap on tick mark. Now I am going to select the color, tap on color. First I am going to select the black color and we have to rotate, simply stretch it like this. Friends, this the font link in the description, you can go and download there. The next step, we have to tap on text and write the remaining name. Tap on done, tap on tick. Now I have to go to colors and you can select whatever color you want. I am going to select the red color and rotate, zoom in, and we have to arrange the both in a proper form like this. Now tap on this VN and go to shadow and decrease it to the 10. Perfect. Tap on position and make it 100 and make this 100. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, I have to go to shape frame and select the first one. Tap on this, select the black color, tap on tick mark. I have to make this opacity to 100. Now zoom out and arrange like this. Perfect. I have to exactly arrange like circle. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, I have to go to add photo and select the white circle paint. Zoom out, arrange around the logo. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special own name logo photo editing is completed. This is the before background and it is how the final output. And all the links, background link in the description, you can go and download there. Now tap on save. This is the end of the tutorial. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.